Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Thursday, repurposing content for Skool. So I'm having some slides that I'm putting into Photopea in order to adjust the slides, change the wording, get rid of the watermarks. So what I have planned to do today is to work on my YouTube content, some different playlists that I have, create a document around that, having those videos broken down into smaller tasks. I'm looking at the architecture of the Skool community, how it's going to be. I'm working on different names. Shikara Studio, that will be the name. I prepare my guidelines and I work also with ChatGPT. Enhance those ideas, work on the message, working also with NotebookLM for the video chunks. What is good with NotebookLM, you can constrain it to a specific data. It won't go and look for any other data. This limits LLM hallucination, and also you get the advantage of the huge context window. I create different files, they have all the same structure, description, and after the description I put the video chunk plan. So cutting those videos into smaller pieces, providing the Skool community more structure to those videos with documents accompanying those videos. I'm going to update the calendar. I'll be doing Friday tasks today on Thursday, because on Friday it's the day of prayer, so I'm gonna be going to the mosque. I won't be working on that, so at this time I'm gonna do Thursday all the tasks. So what is done, the community plan is done. Transfer some videos, I made some documents. I'm limited in resources creation with NotebookLM, so I did what I could. I did 4 videos of Rust, some infographics, and Kubernetes will wait. Nodes.chickerhouses.com, it's on Thursday, but Friday work, so I'll focus on Node code. I'm running Node code landing page locally. I just run the server, I check what needs to be changed and improved. Going through the code, it will be mainly fast forwarded, but what I need to do here is to get working on the first Notecode AI agent as well, the zip file, the release one, the one that people will be able to get. I'm running the AI agent locally, taking screenshots of Dockerfile, multi-staging, screenshot of the UI, of the README. Just to have images to show how is that standalone application, that node that you can plug into any AI agentic system look like. Photopea Images College. Just work with Photopea every time. Placing image inside, just have one image to place. Later on I'll be working on the favicon and the logo. Push into production, automation, dev, main to live site. This is my flow. I work on the dev branch, I check for the changes, I merge those changes to main, and I'm refreshing the live site to see the changes. So now we wait, we see the pipeline. We wait, the image is still the one that we got before, and now we got the update, the collage. Updating Gumroad. Gumroad will be used for the checkout, but I also create a page there. I need to update also the code for that to get the right link. I have an intermediary small checklist. I'm creating the logo for Node code. So here for the logo, I'm going to use the branding of Chikara houses because it's based on that. I'm using the Japanese sign Ko for code, and I put in the middle a circle for the node representing the node code. I'm going to use the colors of Chikara houses, color picking, when it's done. You don't need to stay edges on logos. Updating site with logo and some adjustment. So the logo looks too big on the website. I'm just adjusting the CSS. Finally done. Pushing again from my dev to the main branch, from the main branch to the production. That means that when you have a site, release the site, nobody's going to visit anyway, and after you push your changes. Task and calendar update. So at the end, the application for Android is not going to be released, but here we get the update of the checklist and it's all done. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.